Hey, what's up, guys? As you guys were able to see on the computer, we had no compression on cylinder 4, 5, and 6. We had a little popping noise too in the intake. We're checking out the valve adjustment first. Number 3, we already put it in timing. See 3 moves, it's decent, but when you go to 5 and 6, it doesn't move at all. So what we're gonna do is adjust all the valves, do another relative compression test, fire the truck, and see if the popping noise goes away. We'll be right back.